So let's start by using a brush like this one. It's a very round brush, as you see, and it's very soft. And I'll start by using this shade on the upper eyelid, but the outer line here, just like this. This is a very light shade, and we're going for a gradient look. So that's why we'll be using this first. And now I'll also just take the rest of it to put it on my under eyelid, like this. Alright, now it's time for the next shade, which is this one here. And I'll use it to darken my upper eyelid like this. Now I change my brush to this one, which is very thin, as you can see, and perfect for the details. Now I'll be using this darker shade here, and I'll put it onto the corner here to outline my eye a little bit. And again, I'll be using the rest that's left on the brush to go to the outer corner on my under eyelid and put it like this. Okay. And again, it's time to change my brush. This is a very soft brush too. And now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes with this shade. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Let's move on to the eyeliner. So now we have two options, and I'll be showing you both of them. The first option is to just put on some mascara now and just leave it like that without eyeliner, or as I like to wear it, put on an eyeliner. I'll be showing you both options and you can choose whatever you like better. So for the first option, I'll be using an eyelash curl like this one and just curl my lashes. And now I do have a special tip, which is using a tweezer like this one, which I have from Japan, but I think you can use any tweezer you find. Take the ends of your lashes and put them together like this with a tweezer. It's a perfect everyday look. However, I personally prefer wearing an eyeliner, so I'll be showing you how I do it. It's very easy. You just need to start at the middle of the eye and draw the eyeliner to the end. And then you create a wing. And for a special effect again, I like to draw in a little hook on the end of the wing like this. Which will cause the eyeliner to look thicker when you open up your eyes like this. And now it's time again to curl our eyelashes and to put on some mascara. And we're done.